Spectrum. A Wall magazine. 2024-25, theme, Evolution of ISRO. Department of Physics, Morigaon College.
সম্পাদকীয় অতীজৰে পৰা আমাৰ ভাৰতবৰ্ষ জ্ঞান আৰু বিজ্ঞানৰ চহকী ইতিহাসৰ বৰাহমিহি মহাকাশত অধ্যয়ন পৰা আৰম্ভ কৰি বৰ্তমান ইছৰোৰ সফল মহাকাশ যাত্ৰালৈ সফলভাৱে আকাশ চুই আহিছে। বিশ্বৰ অন্য দেশসমূহৰ দৰে ভাৰতবৰ্ষই মহাকাশত অধ্যয়নৰ লগতে মহাকাশত বহুতো ৰহস্য উন্মোচন কৰিবলৈ সক্ষম হৈছে। 15 আগষ্ট 1969 চনত গঠন হোৱা এই সংস্থানটোৱে 55 বছৰীয়া ইতিহাস প্ৰথম কৃত্ৰিম উপগ্ৰহ আৰ্যভট্টৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ কৰি চন্দ্ৰযান আৰু আদিত্যৰ 1 ফেব্ৰুৱাৰীৰ সফল প্ৰক্ষেপণলৈ ইছৰোয়ে এক গৌৰৱোজ্জ্বল অধ্যায় ৰচনা কৰিছে। সেয়েহে ভাৰতবৰ্ষ এই মহান প্ৰতিষ্ঠানটোৰ গৌৰৱোজ্জ্বল যাত্ৰাৰ বিষয়ে সকলোৰে মাজত জ্ঞান পৰিসৰ বৃদ্ধি আৰু অৱগত কৰা উদ্দেশ্য ইছৰো ক্ৰম বিকাশ এভলিউশন অফ প্ৰাচীৰ পত্ৰিকাখন তুলি ধৰা হ'ল। সম্পাদক আব্দুল নীৰ, সহ-সম্পাদক আবিৰ হাজৰিকা।
Future projects of ISRO. Number 1, Gaganyaan. This envisages demonstration of human spaceflight by launching crew and members to an orbit of 400 kilometers. Number 2, Morigaon 2. This mission will use high-resolution camera to study Martian crust, recent basalts and falls of boulder. By Melina Begum. BSc 6th semester. International collaborations. ISRO actively collaborates with other space agencies including NASA, ESA, Roscosmos, and others. These collabs helps ISRO leverage expertise, resources, and technology from around the world. By Janmoni Duri. BSc 2nd semester. Facts about ISRO. Bengaluru, aka Bangalore, is where ISRO headquarters is located. The ISRO has 25 other subcenters. 3 satellite launching facilities are located in Bengaluru, Sriharikota Island, and Tiruvananthapuram. ISRO comes under one of the 6 largest space agencies in the world. The ISRO organization works for space research in India. It also manages one of the largest groups of communication satellites and remote sensing satellites that communicate to and from the Earth. By Pranab Kumar Biswas. BSc 6th semester. Aditya L1 mission. Aditya L1 is the first space-based Indian mission to study the Sun. It was launched on September 2, 2023. 91 will be placed in a halo orbit around the Lagrange Grande point 1,11 of the Sun-Earth system. It has the major advantage of continuously viewing of the Sun without any occultation or eclipses. This will provide a greater advantage of observing the solar activities and its effect on space weather in a real time. It carries 7 payloads to observe photosphere, chromosphere, and corona of the Sun using electromagnetic field and particle detectors. It was launched using PSLV. By Suana Sultana. BSc 4th semester. Moon missions of ISRO. Chandrayaan is India's first lunar exploration mission. Chandrayaan means moon vehicle in Sanskrit. Chandrayaan 1 is the first moon mission was launched on October 22, 2008. The mission operated for 10 months and ended due to communication failure. Chandrayaan 2, the second lunar exploration mission, was launched on July 22, 2019, which fall in its final stages. Chandrayaan 3 is next project after Chandrayaan 2 and Chandrayaan 1. Chandrayaan 3 was launched on July 14, 2023 at 2:35 p.m. Indian time from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Chandrayaan 3 softly landed moon around on August 23, 2023 at 6:04 p.m. The lander is called Vikram and the rover is called Pragyan. It is launched by LVK-3 from Sriharikota, SDSC, Shar. India became the first country to land on the moon's surface on South Pole. By Ashik Sahanar Bagam. BSc 2nd semester. ISRO charting exploration, the path to space, milestones and achievements, from transporting the parts of rockets and satellites on bicycles and bullock carts, to reaching Mars in its very first attempt. ISRO has made India proud many times. In 1950, as the USA and the Soviet Union entered the famous space race, the seeds of ISRO powered by two great Indian scientists, Homi Bhabha and Vikram Sarabhai. In 1962, INCOSPER was set up with Sarabhai as its first chairperson. Slowly and steadily, INCOSPER grew, and on 15 August 1969, it became ISRO. In its early years, ISRO neither had advanced facilities. When ISRO was spearheaded by Kalam and Dhawan with the help of Russia, India launched its first satellite Aryabhata in 1975. 5 years later in 1980, Rohini became the first satellite to be launched in India. ISRO then developed launch vehicles, PSLV, GSLV, etc. Today, ISRO holds 3 world records with Chandrayaan-1 mission discovered water on the moon. In 2013, India became the only nation in the world to reach Mars in its first attempt. In the 2017 ISRO launched 104 satellites in one go. Also, in 2023 Chandrayaan-3 success made India first country to land on the south pole of the moon. By Jyoti Sankar Nath. BSc 4th semester. Satellites launched by ISRO. ISRO has launched numerous satellites for various purposes, including communication, Earth observation, navigation, etc. Some notable satellites are Number 1, INSAT series for communication and meteorology. Number 2, GSAT series for broadcasting and broadband services series for Earth observation and monitoring. Number 3, IRS. Number 4, Cartosat series for high resolution and Earth mapping. Number 5, NAVIC for regional navigation services. Number 6, Chandrayaan-1, 2, 3 for lunar exploration. Number 7, Mangalyaan for Mars exploration series for all-weather surveillance and reconnaissance. Number 8, RISAT. By Abir Hazarika, BSc 6th semester. Painting by Simanta, Dikshamoni, Jitumoni. Calligraphy by Arnab, Ashik. Helped by Shamaran, Ricky, Naba Jyoti, Samudra, Bhaskar, Deepankar, Farina. Thank you from Department of Physics, Morigaon College.